Okay, so now we are showing the articles, right, Sharanya?
Yeah, right. Create a new article.
So click on create a new article. And suppose if you want to create a new article, very easy guys. It is exactly like WordPress. So you can click on edit content and you can just put the title, whatever it is. Okay.
And type a content here.
Type the content and save it. That's all. Okay. And then this is excerpt. Excerpt means it's like a summary of the post.
And you can give an image for your article also.
Exactly. We pick images from Unsplash. You know that, right? So unsplash.com and we just go ahead. Suppose you want some image, just flower, whatever, you can go and download it here and then put it here. This is like commercial rights are allowed in Unsplash.
Okay. In excerpt and in search engine list, you have to give a summary of your post. Okay. Then only it will give a search result for your post articles. Okay.
Exactly. So this is exactly like how Google snippets, like meta description would. What is a meta description? You must be knowing, right? So how the title and meta description would look. For example, I have here Google, right? So suppose I type in first, okay, example, okay. So if I go down, okay, you see this is called a meta description, guys. Okay.
In below blue line, some 2 lines are there, you know.
That is a meta description.
So that is meta description. Okay. So you have to give that meta description.
Okay, exactly. Exactly. And post title is the title, whatever that came there.
And select the category. What category it will comes under. This article in what category comes under.
Exactly.
So you have to select that and you have to select the author name. What author? Who is that? Who is the author for this article?
Yeah. What kind of an author is writing this? And then click on show authors by if you want.
And same as keywords.
Exactly. These are the keywords, so you can add the keyword. So if you're posted about flowers,
marketing, flower or flower, natural scenery.
Natural. Just give comma after that. Okay, that's it. So then you can click on save. The article will be amazingly ready. Right. So that is done. So article I told you about, and then add Chrome extension. You can add a Chrome extension and curate directly from Chrome. That is easy. That you can check it out yourself. But one important factor that I need to mention is you can manage all your blog posts here. So you can click on manage blog posts. Okay, and here what you can do is so all the blog posts that are here, right, guys? So suppose some blog posts you need to what you call as feature it. Okay, suppose I want to feature this particular video. I can click on pin to top. Okay. So it'll pin to the top this one, and I can arrange the pin post. So whichever post I want first, I can drag and put it here. So those posts will come in the first category. Okay. This is a sample site, so you can check it out later. So then we have categories. So particular category. If you have a particular category on something, you can edit the category.
This category is what means you selected in the category portion, right? For YouTube videos, for a blog post, there's some tab like a category. So on that category, on that particular category, how many videos you posted, or how many blog articles you posted. So it will shows that analytics here.
Exactly. And so you can edit the video SEO, whatever category related. Custom ads, whatever you can add, so whatever, that is fine. Okay, and pretty good. You can add more categories if you want. Okay, it is like category. Best example I'll give you. A school is there. Okay, a school. So they have sections, right? So section A, section B, section C, section. That is our categories. Okay.
Yeah, right.
What are the subjects they're covering? Would be the category names. Okay, so the individual classes would be your videos or articles. I was a amazing example, right? Okay, pretty amazing. So that's one. So then we have ads and call to action. Okay.
Yeah, right.
So you can insert advertisements in your particular portal. Okay. Right. Suppose I have content or header or whatever. You can put the activate the advertisement.
If you want to put your ad on header part, means give that advertising code in header part.
Exactly. So it can be a Google ad or whatever it is. So it can be a YouTube channel ad or a Twitter follow ad or a Facebook page ad or a newsletter ad or a Twitter timeline ad. Suppose Twitter follow means you have to click on that and then you have to give your Twitter username or whatever and continue to edit this ad and activate this ad. So it will show up on the header. Okay. So if it is a YouTube channel, put your channel URL. If it is a call to action or whatever website it is, you put that. Okay, guys. So Instagram followers, the same thing. Okay. So if you want to hide that on the home page, or if you want to hide on category pages, or if you want to hide on blog post pages, or if you want to hide on any other page, you can use that. So typically it should be hidden on the it should be hidden on the home page because it is home page should look neat and clean. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Then you can save it down. So like that you have a content, sidebar 1, sidebar 2, footer also. Then custom ads are there. Okay. Custom ads means you can show a customized advertisement to show on specific blog posts.
If you have your own products means you can create an ad for your own product and you can paste that product ad here.
Correct. And like even earn crore ads and all you can post. Okay, that is also amazing. And suppose you have a client and he wants his brand to be promoted using an ad. That ad you can also post it in custom ads and get money from your client. That's all pretty good. So one more thing is registered users. People who have actually registered for your sites will be shown here. Newsletter subscribers will be shown here. And then the themes. This is very important. Click on themes.
The theme of your website.
Exactly. So this is the website theme here.
Type of theme you want, you may select here.
Yeah, you have different themes here. So you can customize a website in the theme category. Okay. So whatever website it is, you can customize it. So you can click on customize. Let me show a small example. So you can customize the site. Okay. So here you have a site. So which I was showing you, right? So remember these are the videos that were appearing in the header result. Okay. Pretty good. And typically, there's also preferences, right, Sharanya? Right. So they can customize those kind of preferences and upload their image, site image, how it will show on when the website is shared on social media channels, right? How it's going to show, correct? And all this stuff. And homepage custom section, if they want, they can add that. User registration, if you want to enable website registration, if people want to sign up, you can do that. Newsletter, whatever. Comments, if you want comments to be enabled for your blogs, right? Blog posts or whatever, your videos, enable that. Then general if you want. And guys, you have to add the website tags, don't forget, okay? And if you want social sharing thumbnail with a play button or without a play button, that you can decide. So that you can always do it and save it, okay? Very good. Then we have more pages you can add here if you want.
To add more pages means go to more pages and you can add.
And navigation, whatever you want to do. You can navigation, there is a menu navigation for footer and for the main menu, you can add that.
And if you want to add new members means you can add by using
team members. Okay. Now coming back to this. So I've explained most of the amazing concepts here. So one amazing concept I missed here. What is the amazing concept? I'll tell you right now. Okay. So suppose I'm an earn crore, right? I'm an earn crore. So some product, I pick Echo Dot. Okay. Amazon Echo Dot. Okay. So now I want to share this. How do I earn money for this? I just told you to share this. And normally you get a link and then you can start getting your profits. Now how can we typically earn using this site is create a video for this.
Okay.
You got to create a video explaining this, or you can take a screencast also.
What is the uses of the
So typically if you don't know how to take a screen cast, just go to hubcap.video. Okay, it's where you will be able to take a screen recording easily. Okay, so you can take a screen recording of this particular product or whatever. Very easily you can take a screen recording. You check out how it is. Very amazing it is. Okay. Once you take a screen recording of this particular page and you explain the product or whatever.
Not this particular
Not only
page,
this, any product.
Just this image is enough for screen recording.
Yeah.
And explain what is the uses of this and how to use this. Just record like that and give your Anchor link on that video. Okay.
Yeah. So give the Anchor link in the YouTube video description. Put on YouTube and give that Anchor link. Now what I'm going to tell you is once you do that, okay, click on this and curate that particular video URL here. So that particular video URL is there. No, once you publish that video URL, you got to put it here and click on Get Media and put that particular video in your site. Like that, create hundreds of videos, put that links here, so people will watch the video and also click on the Earn Crore link. Right. So that is how it's going to work, right? So it's amazing, guys. Okay. So also you can one more easy strategy is you can curate somebody's videos. Curate. That's just you're curating, and also add the Earn Crore link to those kind of videos also.
Yeah, right.
So suppose you find a Echo Dot video done by some famous guy or whatever. Just curate that link. It is completely legal because it is just embedding a video on that site, guys. It's just embedding a video. Okay. So the other person also is going to be happy because he is also getting views, and you can actually promote your Earn Crore link or whatever it is, and your affiliate link through that particular video. Okay. So that is the ultimate what you call as a secret that I'm leaking out here. Okay. So pretty amazing. So I hope you enjoyed. You have completely enjoyed this particular what you call as post quicker this one. And how will the post quicker site look? Okay, how will the post quicker site look? So let me go to post quicker itself. Okay, let me show you some sample site. So this is how the sites will actually look. Okay, so you see this, guys. This is how the front page, the front page will look. Okay, whatever you're done, right? So if you do your demo,
amazing website.
Let me show you a demo. Okay, I'll show you a demo. Then you'll understand. So whatever you would have done, the site, your site is going to look like this.
Wow, great.
Okay, pretty good, no, Sharanya?
Very good. It is a computer format, and
this is the mobile format. Exactly, correct.
How it look like?
So pop up in mobile phone. Okay, so if I go to a computer format, I want to click something, you can click on this. Okay, so this is how the embed will work. It is playing right from YouTube. You can see that.
Yeah, right. And give your
Anchor link here
in the description part.
Yeah, so description will automatically load. So you just have to edit.
Add your
Anchor link.
If you want to edit, means edit, or if you want to add your Anchor link,
you can add it. While importing only, you add. That is the best thing. While importing the video only, while you're importing, you can add that. Okay,
yeah,
that's pretty good. Okay, that is the ultimate thing. See, for example, when you're importing this. Okay, let me just give an example. Okay, 1 minute, hold on. So suppose I'm importing this. Okay, so I'm importing this. Okay, so I go here, I click on this. So I'm importing this example. I'm just showing an example. Hold on, I think this is I'll have to a sample video. I forgot. So suppose, okay, let me show you one particular video. Okay, I'll go here. Let me go back to first. Okay, guys. Okay, so suppose I'm importing some link. Okay.
These are all already.
Already I know that, but I just want to show them where that particular thing is. Okay, so you see this description column is there, which is hidden here because it's already imported, right? Here you add the link and then click on import. That's all.
Okay.
Put the link in the first line or whatever, and then import it. So that is pretty amazing. Okay, you understood. This is already imported video, so don't worry about that. Okay, pretty good. So now I hope you enjoyed this. Amazing, mind-blowing, as a course on e-commerce marketing. And Sharanya wants to say goodbye. And she wants to say goodbye to you
guys. Now Srinidhi sir and me, we are going to end up here. And in coming up video, Soumya will explain
one more secret tool which helps in personalized behavior analytics
e-commerce tool.
Okay, it is for shopping behaviors or whatever it is that she will explain, that you enjoy the life to fullest potential. We'll be ending it here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this amazing course. Yet again, I'm going to talk to you about this. Okay, see you in another course. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan signing off along with
Saranya Srinidhi.
Bye
guys.
Soumya will be there. Okay, so hold on. She's coming up in the next video.